Well, we all know that conical springs for Topre keyboards get bunched up like this, and it is a fine art that I will try to teach you on how to detangle them. So obviously the easiest way is to just separate the ones that are, well, either singular. There's really like 3 different types of ways to get these apart, and that's all you have to learn. So this here, these 2 here, look like a pull. Now don't pull too hard. Okay, see, perfect. That's the easiest one. Sometimes another type is when you get 3 like this. I like to drop them. You just see how all 3 came apart. Here's kind of an odd one. It does look like a pull though. Okay. There are ones where I'm going to artificially make this. Oh, here's one. Here's a perfect example. Okay. Sometimes, let's see if we can get this to focus here. Lay it on the table, see if that helps. Alright, it is focused. Sometimes they simply just get hooked on the last little bit of that coil. In order to unwind them, you hold one and then you turn the other one clockwise. The last type is, well, okay, here's a mess. Here's a mess of one that has all sorts of different styles. We're gonna first drop it, okay? Now we have a pull. Okay, easy. Okay. The last style that you'll find is when they stack on top of each other. So in order to get there, we have, right here we have a kind of a cluster F. These 2 were both just hooked on by a little bit. I'm going to artificially make them because it doesn't seem like we got a big stack. Okay, so sometimes they'll just stack like this, and it will actually be more difficult to remove them than you think. You may try pulling them apart and they're not going to go anywhere. The secret for this is to hold the stack of springs by the bottom, hold all of them, and then I usually use a set of tweezers, but in this case we can just, using my finger now, I hope it isn't too gross for you, but I'll just simply grab the top spring and remove it from the stack. Grab the top spring and remove it from the stack. Hopefully those techniques will allow you to get all of them removed or separated without damaging them. If you apply any sort of force, you will damage them. So never use force, simply just try to determine what is the method needed to separate them and go from there. Good luck.